Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something a little bit different. It's an unboxing, but it is a mystery box unboxing from eBay. I picked up a health and beauty $20. That's not even 20. I don't even know why I'm doing that. Okay, stop with hands. So $20. I picked up this health and beauty box, mystery box. So I have no idea what is in it. There was no description, anything. All it said is that it's brand new stuff and it's health and beauty related. So I guess we'll see what it has. So all up it came to $28.50 because it was $8.50 postage. So yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping there is a couple of good stuff in there, but I don't have high expectations. So yeah, I'm still excited to have a look because I like surprises. Good surprises though. But yeah, this is how it came. So it came in this little satchel, eBay. Not showing you the back because it's got my address on it. And then it came in, this is how it came in this little box. And it says sweetheart on it. And we will get to opening it. It's actually quite a cute little box. Okay. Here goes nothing. Okay, so the first thing I see is these little blocks. Now, I'm pretty sure these are the brush erasers that you can like clean your brushes with, I think. Are they? I don't really know. Are they the brush erasers or are they nail files? I don't think they're nail files. I think they're the, not brush erasers, like brush cleaners. I think they are. I'll have to search these up because it doesn't have anything what they are. I don't really do nails. Like, I've got my nails done quite a few times, but I'm not really nail savvy. So yeah, so that's the first thing. Okay, second thing I see is a pair of tweezers. It comes in this little pouch, and we'll take them out. And they're a bit cute. Got a little girl on them. They're the them sort of tweezers. So they're always handy to have. I like tweezers. I like tweezers. No, tweezers are handy. Handy to have around the house. Okay, the next thing I see is, oh, these good old things. You know what? I actually use these because I use these to pack on pigments on my eyes because they actually work better than a brush. So don't diss these applicators, okay? Coming back. Oh, hi. Talk about nails. I've got some nail art stickers. So that one and that one. They're the same. No. I'll probably use them for something else because, as I said, don't do nails. Very rarely. Next we have some collagen gel under eye pads. So I quite like these. I use the gold ones under my eyes, so that's okay. I would use that. Next we have a pair of these lashes. I'm not gonna lie, they look really cheap and nasty. What are they like? I have no idea. They are weird looking, but whatever. Okay, the next thing I see is a tattoo pen eyeliner eyebrow Canva. Never heard of them. So, okay, it's a felt tip, and that's the swatch. It's makeup, you know. Next thing is this Trish McAvoy Beauty Eyebrow number 44 brush, and it's like a clear brush. See, Trish McAvoy, and that's it. I don't know why it says eyebrow. Like, I wouldn't use this for my eyebrow. I'd use this for inner corner. Okay. It's interesting to say the least. Okay. Alright, now, what is this? I don't know what this is. It's called Dahu. It kind of looks like a teeth whitening thing. Let's have a look. Let's wind it up. Hello.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later.
I have no idea what that is, but it smells like glue. That smells disgusting. Actually, I think it is glue. I have no idea. Oh, has anybody ever heard of this brand? Does anybody know what this is? I think it is glue. It's sticky and it's, yeah, lucky I didn't put it on my teeth. Oh, it's sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay. Next thing is a kissing point lipstick in Desire. Never heard of it. That's the colour. It's a very sheer, it's a pretty colour. Never heard of the brand. I'm gonna research up these brands because I don't want to put stuff on my face that, you know, is dodgy. Okay, next thing is a random lip gloss that just says 04, and that is, oh, that smells nice. It smells like citrus. That's just a nice, just a clear gloss. Probably would use that. Okay, the last thing in the box is a eyeshadow palette. Bellspawn. I've never heard of this either, but that's it there. So that's it. Is it $28.50 worth? No, definitely not. Was it interesting? Yeah, you know, it's nice to try new things, but will I be getting another one? Probably not. But yeah, let me know if you guys have purchased any of these mystery boxes and what was your experience, because I'd love to know. And if you've got any videos, let me know, because I love watching those videos. I think they're funny. And yeah, if you know what some of those things are that I have listed, let me know, because some of them I don't know what they are, and I'm not putting them on my face. So I'll just leave them in the box until I find out what they are. I'll do some investigating. But yeah, so that is all for this video. That's it. All finito.
OVAH.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. That's somewhere over here. Down here? No. Here or here? Yeah, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe. No, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload. I'm uploading Mondays and Thursdays. That is my schedule now. I had to do one extra last week because I had a important PR package. I will link the card up here for that video. If you haven't watched it, check it out because it's really exciting. And yeah, and that is it. So until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.